In this video, I will show you how to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks code in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the official website. So what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to fortnite.com/VBucks card. So that's going to take you across to here, and from here you want to click onto the yellow Get Started button just down here. So if you're not currently logged into your Epic Games account, it's going to ask you to log in. So you want to go ahead, sign into your account, and if you do have two-factor authentication enabled, you want to go ahead and complete that too. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this, and what you're going to want to do is enter the code which will be on the back of your Fortnite V-Bucks card. So you would enter the code into here. Now I don't actually have a code myself, but you would just enter that into here and press next at the bottom. Once you've done that, the next screen is going to ask you to choose the device that you do play Fortnite on, so whether that's like PC or your PS5 or an Xbox, you want to select the device that you play Fortnite on, then go ahead and click confirm, and what's going to happen is going to go ahead, redeem your card and add that to, of course, the account for the device that you play Fortnite on. So that is how to redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks code in 2024. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.